how to check malware using Windows security. So first, I'm going to type in the search bar Windows security. Click it, and it's going to show you these options here. So current threats, no current threats. So in order to scan, we're gonna quick scan it. So there's other options: quick scan, full scan, custom scan, Microsoft Defender offline scan. So we're just gonna choose quick scan. So click scan now. There we go. So no current threats in the scan. So that's pretty much it. Thanks.